To access Ascend's services, go to www.ph-ascend.com. For new users, a pop-up tutorial will be visible as your website guide. Just click Next to proceed. Visible in the top left corner is all the existing features of Ascend. Log in to access all free features of the website. Don't forget to confirm the activation link to verify your account. There will also be a compilation of quick tutorials for the website. Click Finish when you're done. Moving on to the website's main feature, if you're looking for a specific store or product, drag your mouse to the main search engine. For instance, I'd like to purchase handmade resin products. Ascend will provide a list of stores that accommodate your needs. Simply click the store you want. This will direct you to the profile page of the store. Visible on the screen are the featured products of the shop. Simply click the arrow to view all. The page will display all basic information about the shop, including a short description, their website, location, contact information, email address, all existing social media, and also a quick video to entice their customers. Any interested buyers may also contact the agent or seller of the shop. Simply click the Send a Message button or proceed to fill up the Send Me a Message form in the right corner. To send a message, input your name, contact number, email address, and your short message. Submit request when you're done. The page will also display reviews of the shop from other users, similar products, and similar stores. You can also access all existing stores by navigating to Malolo's locations. Filter the results by choosing a category of shops. By choosing the shopping category, this will display all businesses that primarily sell goods or merchandise to customers, either in a physical store or online. When you select a store, you will be taken to its individual page where you can view more details about its products and services. Other than category, the filter also includes the place type of the business, your budget, and the amenities of the shop. Other than the MSMEs directory, the website also provides a job search engine. Simply go to Jobs and choose Find Jobs. To enhance your user experience, the job search engine has features such as keywords, location, and the employment type you're interested in. For instance, I'd like to be a cook full-time. The search engine will instantly provide results based on your preferences. Simply click the job opening provided for you. This will direct you to the main page of the vacant job. Please be aware that in order to view the complete information about the vacant position, you need to sign into the website to ensure your safety and avoid any fraudulent activity. Go to Login and fill in your login credentials to proceed. This will enable you to review the requirements for the job opening. In creating a job posting, employers have the option to provide job descriptions, enticing photos, their company website, contact details, and other relevant information. If you find the job opening interesting, you can click on the Apply for Job button to proceed with your application. To start your job application, you need to provide the necessary details. Provide your full name, email address where you want to receive updates about your application, and mobile number for contact purposes. As an option, you may include a brief message to introduce yourself or convey your interest in the job. For formality, you can also provide a resume for the employer to review. When you're ready, click the Submit button to turn in your application.